Alright, we're doing an oil change on a 2002 Silverado 2500 HD. And so basically I got the factory filter, which is what I like to use, and I got some Rotella 1540. So this should be great. So let's get on the truck and start draining. I hope you can see, this is the trans filter, but there's the drain plug right there, and then right above it, next to the four-wheel drive shaft, is the oil filter that we're going to try to get to. Okay, so this is going to be a little tough. Alright, let's see what we can do. Alright, that's a 16 millimeter, and that was hard getting that nut off, but we're going to just try to give it our best to drain it here without too much of a mess. Here we go. There we go. Alright, let's let that drain, and then we'll come back. It should be about 10 quarts. Alright, let's go. Okay, hopefully you can see the filter right there, but basically I used one of these things, got it wrapped around. I gotta get that wire out of the way so you guys can see. It's not so easy, but I'm gonna try to pick it up out of the way. There we go. And then got this on here, and then forced that around, and it was on really, really tight, just like the drain bolt. So I don't know if we did the service last time, but we should be able to get this off. The other thing is this is rubbing right here. I don't like that. I don't know why, but we're gonna have to take care of that too. Let's see, we should just get a little bit of oil drip from the oil canister. If you can see it, there's a little oil dripping. And then we're going to take the filter off and partially fill the new one and then get it on there. And we'll get it on there just hand tight. I gotta see what bracket this is. Man, this is on there tight. There we go. And it's draining really good. Alright, so let's get the old filter off. We'll clean off this mating surface, and then we'll get the new one on, okay? Alright, here we go. We won't film that though. Alright. We got the oil filter on, and then now we're going to add the 10 quarts of oil from this 2.5 gallon jug. So it's perfect actually for this one. So I'm just going to fill it and check the oil level. Okay, we're just going to let it hang there for a little bit and drain out if we can. And that's it, and then we'll check the oil level on the dipstick, and we are good. So thank you, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching the videos. Have a great day.